Oh shit, there's a snake right there, look at him. I almost walked right into his ass. It's bright, dude.
Yeah, it's hard to see him.
Yeah, I know, it's just so bright. Once we turn back the other way, it won't be so bad though. Look, there's a fish right there.
Huh?
There's a fish right there, you see all the water? What? The water's pretty clear though. So the water's pretty clear though. I mean, so as deep as it is.
I think it's because it's a little lower.
Yeah.
It seems like it's a little lower.
It's not too bad. It was way deep the other day when we came, like a couple weeks ago. Look at this.
So low.
There used to be a bunch of beaver dams and stuff out here, but
Well, there's small claw prints.
look,
So
there's
that's
little. Yeah, they're raccoons, I think.
Yeah, those are totally right. I just seen a little.
I was gonna say there used to be.
That's a big ass sticker.
What?
You see that motherfucker? Yeah.
I came out here like couple years ago.
Oh, you hear that?
Yeah, it was a fish flocking. Came out here a couple years ago, and there was like a bunch of beaver dams over back that way. And
There's still some back there that are like.
yeah, well those are the same ones, but they were like, yeah, those are the same ones that were there.
Better.
They were just, yeah, they looked a lot
better.
better because they weren't fucking abandoned.
It'd be nice if you could see a beaver.
Yeah, that'd be cool, but I think I'd be kind of scared, not gonna lie.
And start to
Get chased by a beaver.
trying to nail the ladder. Chased by a snake.
I mean, I think I'd rather be chased by a snake than a beaver.
No, bro. Snake is fast.
Yeah, but beavers have fucking huge ass teeth. I'd say I'd rather get chased by none of them. Yeah. The golf course is up here, like right around the corner up here. So, yeah, it's pretty bright.
Very nice. Getting a juicy breeze. Oh, these are dove prints right here. Yeah, there's all kinds of deer prints, dove prints, right? Or doe print, not dove.
Yeah, the fucking birds are just walking on the ground.
Dove prints are pretty nice. No. I'm actually kind of excited that it's all snakes.
Yeah. Dude, I wish we could find a fucking turtle.
And not the one.
I love turtles.
I love turtle. Listen to one is like, I love refrigerators.
I bet there's fish down in there. There's a golf ball. Yeah, the golf course is right there.
There's a dead turtle, that's that.
Really? Where? Poor guy.
Over here somewhere. See it?
Okay. Right.
Right. Right there.
Oh, that's a bottle. That's a water bottle. Stop.
Bro, what is that? Bro, you have to open that.
Yeah, I don't know what's in that. Probably nothing. You could probably just turn it over. You probably wouldn't have to open it up. Yeah, right. Why don't you walk through there barefoot, big dog?
I would not.
How do you enjoy carrying your shoes?
Huh?
How do you enjoy carrying your shoes?
Oh, dude. My muscles are just growing.
Oh, yeah? You're fucking gaining them big muscles, huh?
Big muscle ache.
Yeah, look, Ash, here's one right here. This is a beaver house. In an old beaver dam. But it's,
Dude, they don't literally go right down this.
that's freaking sick.
Oh, it's just leather in here.
See that? want to go more places like this. Oh, sweet.
What?
I want to go more places like this. Like that one river that we were at in Colorado.
I've seen pictures, but you second.
Oh yeah.
Are those like little slipperies on the ground like this? Are those snake stones?
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Seen those pictures of
I think it might be the water too.
Well, not
Yeah. I noticed some on like the sand that was like up towards here. I wonder if there's any frogs up in these. That's probably where all the frogs are. If there are any. That's one thing that I haven't seen out here is frogs. Like we've seen everything else, but we haven't seen frogs. And I figured there would be a bunch
seen
of
one
frogs.
tiny one earlier.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, and everyone that I have seen, they've been really small. I think it's just because with all the fish that are out here, some things will get very big. There's nasty things. Dude, I wish you would have been here whenever we found that big, what was it, that soft-shell turtle that we found?
Yeah. Oh,
That was
that long
huge.
ass
the big one?
Yeah, that big one that was on that video. Seth?
Yeah. Oh, where's your big one?
Yeah, there's a tee box for the golf course right up here. For the Bowling Green golf course. We were walking out here one day, and all of a sudden we just heard, and we were like, what the hell?
Look at these tracks. These tracks are different than all
Yeah,
the
those
ones
are weird.
that we've seen so far.
They're like wet.
Dude, this is cool. I like how the water does this. Like, there's little peaks of sand that are higher than everything else. It's dope underneath here.
It's kind of cool.
You've been this far, huh?
Yeah, we've been way up here.
I want to go down by that bridge side again.
Where?
That bridge side.
Oh yeah, that was a ways down there. We can if you want, but
Way.
yeah, it was quite a ways.
I don't know if I want to go that far though. Actually.
Yeah, it was kind of a big walk.
That had to have been at least like 2-mile walk.
Oh, I think it was farther than that for
Probably
sure.
farther.
We were walking for like 2.5 hours.
You guys keep walking, I'm a few.
That's disgusting.
How dare you be in the nature's design? The water's a lot cooler too.
Yeah, it's so pretty, dude.
See if you can catch the spider web on camera. See if it'll catch it. That's a pretty dope web.
You can kind of see it, not really though.
You might be able to see it a little better if you get it on the TV or something.
Dude, I was gonna say that one day that we came out here, the water was covering all of this.
I know, everything was covered. Dude.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then like within a day or two, it was all gone.
I know.
I came out here one day and found like 10 golf balls. And they were all like expensive ones too. Of course, you know.
Well, most people that actually go golfing at Bowling Springs got money.
Yeah, they got money for sure. Dude, I wish I could go golf out there a lot because it's so good. It's so beautiful. I think this is where I found all that clay. Dude, I found a shit ton of clay over here somewhere.
Fish?
No, clay.
Oh, clay.
Yeah, I think it's further down. We can go back whenever you want, Cash. I'm just chilling. So whenever you want to go back, just let me know.
No, you let me know.
I'm
I'll
just-
go as long as you want to go.
I'm just big chilling.
I'm okay with this.
Yeah, probably are okay with this whenever you go from Mead.
Dude, I'm high as fuck, bro. I think we're okay. And I have more weed on me, so it's so pretty, bro. So it's a win-win. Dude, you literally start walking back to the sun that you're going out.
Yeah, especially going from Mead, where there's nothing like this, and however far you drive.
I can't even see water from where I am.
I know, there is no water, yeah.
Because of the sun. I barely get hot water again, dude.
It is pretty crazy though that you drive like 5 miles away from Woodward and this is here.
Yeah.
Because Woodward is trash too.
There's bugs everywhere, goddamn.
Yeah, they are.
They won't get you.
They are though.
Oh, it's because you don't have a shirt on.
Yeah, neither do I.
I got my shirt on. And
I'm trying to get my ginger ass tan.
You got that farmer's tan.
Yeah, I do got that. That's just from working outside all the damn time. I guarantee if we looked along the sides, you could find turtles. I just never look. They usually hang on along the sides.
look, that's snake stuff. Totally.
Yeah.
Worms.
Either that or those little bugs that freaking zoom across the water.
Yeah.
Cause they're weird too. Look, there's a snake right there. Yeah, come on.
Jesus Christ.
That's food.
He's slithering into the tree. You see him climbing the tree?
Yeah.
Yo, Trent, he's just climbing.
Huh?
He's just climbing it up. That's pretty cool.
Dude, look at him.
I know, it's pretty sick. I don't know, they climb so effortlessly, it's kind of weird. Yeah, look how deep this is. Bro, about, I don't know, it's probably like a mile and a half longer, maybe longer than that, I'm not sure. But there's a bridge up here,
Yeah.
and the water gets pretty deep too, but it's pretty cool because there's like a bunch of rocks that, I don't know if they've been put there
It's
or
almost
what.
like a waterfall.
Yeah, it looks kind of like a little waterfall type deal. But
And
it's,
the thing is, the water is actually flowing pretty damn fast.
yeah, it does.
back there.
And when we were there the other day, there was fish like flopping over the rocks,
All over.
getting over to the other side.
There was two of them the other day that freaking stranded themselves on the
Yeah, it was like,
sand.
no, there was
and
three.
Seth had to pick them up and
There was
like a
3
boat.
of them. Yeah, because they get,
No, yeah, there were 3 of them. You picked one up.
Yeah,
and
they
Seth
get
picked the
stuck.
other 2.
they try to swim through this shit and they get stuck because it's not deep enough.
Yeah, there was one that we seen that was also.
Yeah, there was one that was dead, yeah. Yeah, they probably died quite a bit actually. You see that tree?
Huh?
You see this tree's been freaking ate on by beavers?
Yeah.
Dude, there's another trail over there that kind of goes by the lake. That's out here.
Yeah.
And it was probably like last year, but I was walking down the trail and there's a whole entire huge tree. Like it was chewed over. And like the beavers chewed right through the middle of it and knocked it over all over the trail. And they like ate the whole tree. They're fucking crazy. Damn, it's bright.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it gets, you see that, all those sticks right there?
Yeah.
Up along that bank? It gets pretty deep over there, I think. You can walk along the side, but if you go, I wonder how deep it actually is down in there. I wish we would have been able to find out what all those bubbles were coming from the other day when we were here.
I know, dude.
I'm sure it was probably one of those little clams, because they just bury themselves down underneath the sand really deep, and then they
Like
just,
you'll stay still for a minute,
yeah,
and there'll be bubbles.
sometimes
all
there's
over
bubbles that come up out of the ground. Dang, this mud is squishy.
Weird.
I bet if you come over here, you'll see some fish. Yeah, you hear him? Here's another beaver dam, you see?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a frog. I don't know where he went, but you see that? Hear that fish? Yeah, there's a fish.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's, like I
That's
said,
not that big.
there's another one flopping over there.
How big is a fish?
Yeah, some of these fish are pretty decent size out here, actually.
Well, that one sounded decent.
We've caught some big ones. Haven't we, Trenton? Look, there's one right there. Swimming.
What the fuck is that?
It's a fish. Yeah, right up here where all these trees are laid over, it gets pretty deep. Was this always like? Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
They're small, boy.
You see?
They're tiny, yeah.
Yeah, that's a gar. You see those gar? The alligator gar right there?
There's two of them. There's two of them.
3, 4. See him swimming?
This is scary, bro.
Right over there.
There's 4 of them.
You don't see him? Oh, they'll be. No, they don't look like you. They might, but look at that one. See that big one over there? That one's huge, dude. Those are big ones.
Oh shit! Like, there's so many.
Yeah, there's one right here. Look. That's pretty cool, dude.
It's also really deep.
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. It gets really, really deep right there. There's some bubbles coming up. It's probably turtles. Dude, there's fish everywhere, dude. Look. If you actually sit there and focus on it and look real
If we
close.
stand right here, I bet money they'd come and swim right
There's another. Yeah, look.
Look. Oh, that's a big boy.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, there's so many of them, bro.
Dude, it's a swing.
That's crazy.
They're over here.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're everywhere, dude. Oh, look at that gar. See that gar right there?
Oh shit.
He's just steady swimming.
Yeah, it's so cool how they just swim through shit.
It's crazy that they live.
I'd love to be a fish, dude.
Oh, I know, they're everywhere. I'd love to be. See
Dude,
that
go get up close.
little beaver do?
You should put it in there with them.
Yeah, you might be able to get one close to it.
Yeah, I could probably.
There's one right here.
There's one over here,
Oh,
bro.
they chasing each other.
Oh, look all over the place. Let me see if I can get a good video. Oh, look at all these ones over here, dude. There's so many. That's crazy, dude. I can't believe there's so many though. There's a bunch down here. I don't know if I did, but
If you did, that video would have been badass.
I think I got the video of everything. I just didn't get it in the water.
It's okay. That bitch kinda big.
Oh, it was.
Buggy.
Yeah. Well, there might be more over here. Oh, I'm sure there's a lot more. Can you hold this real quick? Oh shit. Right here, turn around. I'm gonna tuck my shirt back in. Bro, look at all of them. Dude, I know. Holy shit, bro.
No, and then there's more. They're swimming.
Ooh, that was sick.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Bro, why do you have to roll across your foot like that? And it's just like a tree that's put over.
Yeah. You see that beaver shit, dude?
There's all kinds of tiny ones swimming around over here. These tiny fish.
Yeah.
I want to see those alligators are over here.
Bro,
We can follow it and walk back over there.
there's one right here.
Where?
There's one right here.
An alligator?
Yeah. He's swimming underneath this, he's swimming around underneath this deal. He might come to the other side. Dude, the water's so cold right there. When you come right here,
Yeah.
it's so warm. It's kind of weird.
I'm gonna step on something hard.
If you come over here, you'll be able to see a more often catch. It's a little deeper though, but
No, I mean, go up down this ridge and you can see it first thing. The water couldn't just almost walk through the thing. No.
yeah, let's go further down, and then when we come back, they'll all be settled down. We'll be able to see them a little bit more.
So cool.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, that spot was perfect.
Dude, I
That
know.
was-
Imagine if you had like a fishing pole or something, dude.
Bro, you could have.
You would catch so many fish.
Oh my, bro.
Or just
In
a net.
second, dude.
Just a net and stuck it in
Oh,
one
yeah.
spot.
Bro, look. No! Little dudes. Oh, dude, that dude's fake. No, that's real.
What's his? Oh, his tail was not missing.
He's just a little bitty.
Eat him.
I'm gonna go throw him to these guys and see if they'll eat him. See these bubbles? Cashling. You see all these bubbles? If you dig right here, I guarantee you there's fucking clam to Look at these things.
What are you doing?
Oh, see, there's a little.
You probably got it already.
Maybe if he's really small, yeah. See how the farther you dig, the water just comes in.
Yo, let's bury the fishy. Bro, this is that.
Where is he?
The further you dig, the.
Yeah, no shit. I'll just throw some fish down in here and be like, yeah, I caught 50 fish.
Then hit them. No.
I'm gonna throw them in here and see if they can. I want to see if they'll eat them. Dude. You think they will?
I honestly don't think they will. I think it's too small for
Does
him.
he float?
But they totally could. Bro, we should have caught one of those fish from the other side. Oh shit. Oh.
I don't see the little fish.
Get up in there.
Right there.
Get up in there. No, they're not gonna eat it.
Hey, they might, bro. They see him floating around in there. Dude, I can't believe there's so many fishes swimming around in there, though. That's crazy. Well, sad day, dude. Bro, there's bubbles everywhere.
How much you jump in there?
Hey, there's a golf ball.
I'll do it for free.
Oh, it's pretty pretty over here. I know. The sun's high, I can't see anything. Well, this part's kind of secure. Look at that. See the big old piece of wood.
Watch. There's snakes, you know.
Oh, yeah, mini. The walk back will be nice, though, because the sun will be like facing.
Well, the sun's going down.
Yeah, for sure.
It's starting to get better.
What time is it?
It is 6:28.
Okay, I was gonna say the sun's not supposed to set till like 7:30, so we got plenty of time to do whatever.
Look at that clam.
Got ripped open, bro.
That brother gone.
That better gone. Fucking spiders, bro. They be swinging on their webs through the air.
Well, I haven't
They
got
just
hit by
attach
one.
to you.
Maybe because you guys.
No, like baby spiders, they throw out their webs, and then the wind just carries them.
Really?
Yeah, and then they'll just land wherever.
Dude, like literally thousands of them over just
Yeah.
freaking
Yeah.
all at once.
Dude, yeah, you won't even walk through webs, but you'll end up getting them on you because they just get on you and start swinging webs all over the place.
Like if that web hits you, it's gonna climb on you regardless. Well, no, that's the thing, man. You'll feel some
Dude.
spider web or something crawling around you. You're like, yeah,
Do you know how bad I wish we could just like live out here like this?
Bro, but you gotta have a house out here.
Well, yeah, you build your own fucking house, my dog. We'll fucking be on like,
That's a lot of fucking work.
we'll make our own pet my house.
Do you know how to build a house, Key?
I mean, we could sure figure it out, I'm assuming.
Find a full closed.
open it up and eat it.
You won't.
I don't know if I can open it up.
Oh shit. He is closed now. Here, hold him. See if I can open him.
Oh. He's gonna bite you.
No, they don't. They
I
can't.
know. I just thought it'd be freaking.
I do got this though. I carry this with me just because I don't fucking know what actually.
Just in case a bear comes out. Not mine. You can get on the
I mean,
news.
it's so closed and seamed in, you can't even get in between it.
Cash, you want to eat him?
No. I didn't even know they were fucking.
What if he's got
You
a pearl?
No, he's just fucking
Trashy.
little clam. Fucking gross, dude. Poor guy. Just murdered him.
Bro, he'll never see a daylight again.
I'm going to fucking. I'm definitely going to hell now. Yeah, bro. What a murder out here.
Smoked a pack of clams.
I know. We should have ate him at least, huh? Made him go to good use.
Fuck that.
I'm sure one of the fish will fucking gobble his ass up.
Oh, there's a big boy.
No, it's not
that?
very big.
Look, he's fast.
Oh.
He's chasing something.
He's eating something. He's green. That's a dope fucking fish, dude.
Oh, catch it.
Oh, he's way too fast.
Think so?
Oh yeah, I know, sir.
The closer we get.
We're almost to that bridge.
I was about to say we've got to be.
We gotta be close.
Oh yeah, we're right next to it.
Dude, bro, we've been walking.
Bad freaking slide.
Dude,
I slid my foot on the stick.
Dude, I've done that before. I do that all the time. That shit hurts.
Yeah, I do.
Oh.
So,
Swim right next to it.
No, watch like a worm come out of the sand. It was nasty looking. Yo, look at that line. That's where those deers come in. It's right there. Come in here, they walk straight through here, and they walk straight through there. The deer?
yeah, if you look around, you'll see a bunch of those.
Yeah, you can see like their little deer. They don't roam. They go through certain.
Yeah, they all have trails that they
Yeah,
follow.
they all have trails. They don't ever go off their trails unless they like have to. But
Dude, that is
deer hunting
sketchy.
sucks.
That shit's
Imagine
tall.
walking through that.
You get
No,
smacked
there's
on
a
by.
cougar that big.
I hear something. Man.
I hear something.
Bro, get back.
Get that knife out.
I got a knife at least.
Yeah. Dude, if I see something Trenton, you better be fast as fuck, because I know Keegan's quick.
Get behind me.
I'm running.
I know I'm slower than you guys, but I'm fast for like
Faster than a cougar?
We'll have to slice him up with this bad boy.
Faster, my get him good.
Oh yeah, it might have been somebody hitting golf ball though. Because the golf course is literally right there.
There's enough boys.
Dude,
I wish.
the Nook boys don't got nothing on me.
Bro, if enough boys came over, what are you doing?
What are they, if they came over to my house?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'd be asking them for money, dog. Nah, I'm
Bro,
just,
that's fucked.
nah, I'm just kidding.
No, what would you actually do?
I'd probably hang out with them.
No fucking shit.
I mean, why not? Bro, look at this. Look at all these bubbles, dog.
Those ain't bubbles, dude.
They're fucking little bitty ass bugs, probably.
Oh, I bet there's something in there.
Oh yeah, that probably is. Oh, Trent, we're still pretty far away from that bridge. Cause that rock's right there. Oh look, snake.
Huh?
Snake.
Oh, watch out.
It's coming this way. Yeah, he's just minding his own business. Hell yeah.
Bro,
Dude, that
look,
got
I
cut
knew.
real good.
Bro, that's a snake hole, bro.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, sure. Good track?
Yeah. I just keep looking at my cut because I don't know if it's getting thicker or not.
Did you even cut it or?
No, yeah, I did.
Oh,
A little bit or a lot?
No, there's a really long ass scrape, but there was only a tiny seam in it.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you even? Was it just a scrape or was it like an actual cut?
No, like,
Usually, every time I step on a stick out here, it fucking hurts, but I don't ever split it open.
no, I'm fine.
Dude, we're kind of a ways away. I feel.
Too weird.
Somebody tried to fish over here.
Really?
Yeah. You remember the last time we came out here, Trenton? When we walked to the bridge? I came across this over here.
I don't remember this long. Bro, why don't we bring that?
Because if we don't have a fishing license, it's illegal.
Oh,
And
how
we'll-
old are you, Trent?
I'm 16. Yeah.
How old do you have to be?
16 and up.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
With a
so-
license, though.
Yeah,
So-
but if you're 15, then you can.
Yeah, you don't have to.
You could say you're
But
15.
it's only $25 for an entire year.
Really?
So it's not really that bad.
So, what do you think the fine is like then?
Fucking a lot more than $25, I'll tell you that. Yeah, you'll be wishing you spent the $25, I'm sure.
Has to be a $750 house.
Oh, I'm sure it's something stupid. Dude, this place is sick. Oop, fish.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Yeah, once we get further down here, you'll see a lot more because I think the water gets a little deeper.
He's like right there.
Yeah, they swim pretty fast too. There's probably a bunch in there.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I've seen them pop up.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Yeah, I think we're almost there, Trenton. I think we're almost there.
Gotta be getting warm and raw. It's getting closer. We went the wrong way.
No, we there's only one.
There's only one.
Yeah, there's only one way to go. Look, there's something right here swimming. I don't know what it is though. Oh, fish.
Oh, damn. Big ass.
I didn't realize the water was that deep right there.
Oh, it's not that deep.
Well, I was meaning I thought it was real shallow. I thought it was like a snake or something. Look at that though. That's deep.
Fuck that.
That's way deep.
Look at that. Just gets real deep right there. Yeah. Oh, I thought that was a fish. I don't know how many times that almost freaking slipped.
Yeah, you're in the phone.
Oh shit. I just saw a deer.
Oh yeah, that you probably did.
There it is. Did you see that?
See the bridge?
That like jumped across.
Oh really?
Right, on the other side of the bridge.
Oh yeah.
Dude, look at that shit. You're about to step in.
Dude, I'm stepping right in that shit. On
Oh,
purpose.
something jumped, bro.
Something came here and smacked this shit down. Imagine.
Okay.
Yeah, here's the bridge we were talking about, Cash.
Huh?
Here's that bridge we were talking about.
I'm gonna climb back on it. I'm not walking through these deep ass water.
Yeah, we'll go along the side.
Is it good deep?
No? What, fish?
Fish.
Oh yeah. No, it doesn't get that deep. Fish up here swimming around. I just want to show you where those rocks are that we were talking about.
Oh, so many webs now.
Yeah, there's a bunch. It gets pretty sick over here though.
It's a big boy, bro. He kept on swimming. He's been.
I was about to say they stop and then they, as soon as you
Oh my god! This is fast.
yeah.
You're all swimming in the.
Dude, look. See, look. Oh, look, there's a duck.
That's what it was.
There's a duck. Shane.
Yeah, it was a duck.
Oh, look at these fish.
Bro, how do we get out of here?
What do you mean?
Like, here's what? I know, but I don't want to get close to these motherfuckers.
Oh, they're not gonna hurt you. They're little carp.
Look at big ass carp.
Let's go this way,
I
though.
can't see anything.
Yeah, let's go this way. I just wanted to show you this. Oh, dude, it looks like beavers are building a dam over here. You see the...
Maybe that's what it was.
Dude, look, because you can see the... Here,
Bro, I don't want to stand here anymore.
why not? Oh, look at that fucking spider.
Yeah, no, Keegan, back up. Look at all those motherfuckers. No, fuck that, bro.
Don't scare me like that, big dog.
Keegan, you almost just walked through that.
Oh, it's all gravy.
You see him now?
Yeah, I see him now. I would have ducked, but...
Bro, I wanna get back there.
Are you scared, big dog?
I'm scared of spiders.
Hey, look.
I'm tensing up because of them.
Oh, they'll be okay. That's pretty dope, though.
Bro,
You don't want
those
to go
things
that
are
way?
long.
Trenton's on the bridge.
How the fuck did you?
He climbed up from the side, dog. Like a fucking big man.
There are spider webs.
Here, Trenton. Here. Get a video from up there around the side.
Ooh, dude, my face went right into a freaking.
Dude, you should have saw the spiders your brother was walking right into.
Yeah, I would have.
in there.